Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Okay, I just stay on the lock screen, so let's just turn off this feature to face unlock, and just skip. I'll activate this feature to skip lock screen. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5. So face unlock feature works here so fast. We can unlock the device just less than in 1 second, and this is a really good result. I just want to try one more thing. I want to wear my glasses because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear the glasses and I'll see does this feature works with them. So 1 2 3. As we can see, we just have no any problems to unlock the device with my face. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.